Good morning to everyone. This is our second mnemonic video. So we are going to discuss in this session about the enzyme kinetics. Because this is very important, we have two types of inhibition mainly: competitive inhibition, non-competitive inhibition. So in competitive inhibition, here I wrote, instead of C I wrote K, because it has a reason. In competitive inhibition, the Km value generally increases and Vmax remains unchanged. This should be very important. You should remember where, in which inhibition, the Kmax and Vmax, how they will vary, whether they increase or decrease or unchanged. So remember this mnemonic, like you can remember by writing K. In competitive inhibition, you can replace the C instead of K. Thereby you get the Km value also get increases in the competitive inhibition, and Vmax will remain unchanged. And then in non-competitive inhibition, just reverse, which means Kmax remains unchanged but Vmax will decreases, because non-competitive, no, that's why Vmax will decreases. So this is our mnemonic. And coming to the additional information, that competitive inhibition is somewhat important inhibition. And competitive inhibition, for example, I'll explain with an example. Here in the example, the enzyme is succinate dehydrogenase. Normally the enzyme will have the active site where the substrate will come and bind to it. Okay, the substrate here is the succinic acid. So the succinic acid will come and bind to the active site which is present on the succinate dehydrogenase. This is normal process. But here the competitive inhibition is happening. Inhibition means the enzyme is not like the active site is not filled with the substrate, and no more product is formed. Like, who is the competitor? The competitor mainly is the malonic acid. The malonic acid, why we are saying it is competitive, means the malonic acid will having the same structural similarity with the succinic acid, so it will compete for the active site which is present on the enzyme called succinate dehydrogenase. Other competitors also there are the glutaric acid, oxalic acid, like many more there, but mainly you should remember the malonic acid. So overall, this is competitive inhibition, non-competitive inhibition. The competitive inhibition, Km value increases, Vmax remains unchanged. And in non-competitive inhibition, the Kmax will become unchanged and Vmax get decreases. So you should remember, this is very important. This can be asked in your bits also, like MCQs. And in competitive inhibition, this is all about the succinate dehydrogenase, succinic acid, and malonic acid acts as a competitor. So thank you. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment whatever topic you want. I'll make the video on that. Please subscribe to the channel so that you'll get each and every notification, and join the Telegram channel also. The link is given in the comment section, so that you'll get notes of each and every video. Thank you so much.